Is dropshipping dead in 2024? Now, dropshipping has changed massively over the years. When it was still new, lots of people jumped on the wave and were able to scale their stores to 6 figures. Now, in 2024, a lot of people start dropshipping and end up failing. This leads to a lot of people believing that dropshipping is saturated and doesn't work anymore. So, has dropshipping become saturated? Is dropshipping really dead? Well, I'm going to explore this in the video, but first let me give you some background information on my dropshipping journey. Now, I first started dropshipping back in 2015. And back then, I didn't have the knowledge or experience to make dropshipping work. I was still learning and I had several stores which some were getting no sales at all. And it took me failing a lot of times before I understood how it actually worked. I was then finally able to start making some good money dropshipping. And fast forward to now, I have built several stores which are still generating me money till this day. I have documented some of my stores on my YouTube channel and I've done various challenges. So dropshipping works for me as I've been doing it for a long time and I understand the game. But if someone, maybe like yourself, who is new to dropshipping, if you were to start for the first time, you'll definitely have a lot of hurdles along the way. And trust me, when I first started, I had to tackle these hurdles face on. Whereas now there are a lot of tools that you guys can use to help with dropshipping, which wasn't something that was really available back then. Now, dropshipping in 2024 is by no doubt saturated. There are thousands and thousands of people who are dropshipping. But what if I was to tell you dropshipping being saturated is actually a very, very good thing? Now, you're probably asking, how is saturation a good thing? Well, keep watching and I'll explain. Now, a lot of people believe dropshipping is over and doesn't work anymore. And the reason this is that people start dropshipping for the first time, they then fail and think that dropshipping doesn't work anymore. And trust me, this is not the case. Dropshipping still does work. Now, if we explore the biggest reasons people fail, I can prove to you that dropshipping still works. And I'll also show you an exclusive platform where you can learn and master dropshipping with 24/7 help for only $1.99. So make sure you keep watching till the very end. So generally, one of the biggest reasons people fail in the beginning of dropshipping is terrible product selection. Now, I am speaking from experience because trust me, I used to do the exact same thing. When I first started dropshipping, I tested over 20 products and that cost me a lot of time and money. It was frustrating because at the time I was new to dropshipping and I couldn't understand why I was failing. But back then, I didn't realize the psychology of what makes customers want to buy products online. So why do people want to buy products online? It's usually for the following reasons. People buy things to improve their life. People buy things to improve their status. People buy things that make them happy. Remember, you're looking at a product that a customer will buy, not a product that you like. A ton of dropshippers make that mistake where they see a product that looks good and they think as long as they market it well, it will do well. But trust me, that's not the case 90% of the times. Product research is extremely important. Back in the day, I had to use tools like Google Trends, and albeit that is very helpful to use, it was still extremely hard to judge a winning product. And now in 2024, it is extremely easy to find your winning product. And that's where today's sponsor, ShopHunter, comes in. ShopHunter is an amazing tool that I've been using for a while, and it's been allowing me to find my winning products so much easier. So what is ShopHunter? ShopHunter is an easy to use sales tracker that lets you track sales of any Shopify store. Trust me when I say I've used so many different sales trackers in the past, but ShopHunter does it the best. For example, I was selling this product on one of my dropshipping stores and ended up making well over 5 figures. The reason I knew this would do well was because before I deemed it a winning product, I used ShopHunter. So all I did was I found this competitor's website and all I had to do was copy the URL of the website. I then went on to ShopHunter and pasted that link. And straight away after doing so, I was able to track all their sales. And I can tell from the sales they are making a lot of money. Now what's cool about this is that you can also track their Facebook ads. So if you click on ads here, you can see a chart of how many ads they are running, but that's not all. If we click here, this will then show us the individual ads they are running for the store. So you can see what's working for them and what's not. Genuinely a game changer because you're getting all the exclusive secrets of these top dropshipping stores. And all you have to do is replicate what's working well. Now this is why saturation is a good thing, because you can replicate what's working for these top dropshipping stores while staying clear of stores that aren't doing well. Now with ShopHunter, you can also go onto the Explore tab, and if we click here, you can also search product and it will find dropshipping stores that are selling the same product. You can then track that store to see how well the products are doing or see that product on their store or AliExpress. You can also click here and find the top advertised products. So this tool just makes dropshipping so easy. And to be honest, if you're struggling with dropshipping or you just haven't started yet, this tool is honestly a game changer. And I would recommend to start implementing this tool on your dropshipping journey. Now, these are the prices for this tool if you plan to take out a monthly plan. However, I would recommend taking out the annual plan, which is what I'm on, and you can also get 2 months free. And not only that, but because I've partnered up with ShopHunter, as a special offer for my viewers, you can get 25% 20% off ShopHunter by using the code ALIM25. So make sure you click the link in my description, go onto your chosen plan and sign up to ShopHunter. Again, if you use this tool and implement it correctly, you can easily scale up your dropshipping stores to 6 figures. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Now, what is the second biggest reason that dropshippers fail? Well, that is to do with store design. Your store design needs to look good enough if you are going to convert your potential customers. I have helped a lot of my students who started dropshipping for the first time, and looking at some of their stores, I can see exactly why they weren't able to convert. Their websites either have too much information or they look dull and unprofessional. Some don't even optimize their websites for mobile, which if you use TikTok ads where majority of the people are using mobiles, this can be a deadly mistake. So store design is extremely important as it's the last hurdle to convert your customers. So let me show you an example of a good store. Now this is a dropshipping store and this is something I would say is a good store. The design looks good and everything is simple and not cluttered. You have gifts on the side too, which I would say makes a massive difference. They have also added reviews and everything just looks nice. Again guys, store design is very important, but at the same time, don't spend hours and hours trying to perfect your store design. I have also helped people who have done the exact same thing. What ends up happening is that you end up wasting too much time on creating your store design and less on focusing on other things. Just create a simple but effective design which you know will convert. Now the third biggest reason dropshippers fail is because of their ads. Most dropshippers do not know how to advertise their products online, which is why they end up failing and giving up. These are then the types of people that then say, oh, dropshipping doesn't work. Now ads are extremely important if you want to attract your customers onto your store. I have seen so many dropshippers pour so much money into extremely bad ads, and in the end they just end up losing tons of money. Now when it comes to ads, you need to do this correctly. Otherwise what's going to happen is you're just going to waste a lot of time and you're going to waste a lot of money. Now you can either use TikTok or Facebook ads. Usually it depends on the product you're selling, but I tend to use TikTok ads quite often. Now I have a video on how to do ads correctly which will be available exclusively on my Discord group called the Ultimate Wealth Circle. The Ultimate Wealth Circle is not just a Discord group, but it's a group of like-minded individuals who are looking to be successful and make money online. We have people in the Discord group earning over 6 figures every year. We don't just cover dropshipping, we have multiple groups including affiliate marketing, YouTube, TikTok, dropshipping, and so much more. I am also working on courses which will be coming soon in the Discord group, and I have a special offer for my viewers. You can join for only $1.99. Imagine having access to like-minded people, some who are earning well over 6 figures a year, courses which are worth over $500 alone and will be coming soon into the Discord group, an exclusive network, and 24 hours one-to-one access with myself for any help or guidance for only $1.99. This is a special offer for a very limited time, so make sure you join now. Tell me any other platform that offers anything remotely close for the same price. So if you do want to learn dropshipping and you do want to take control of your life, make sure you go onto my link in the description, then go onto the Ultimate Wealth member plan, input the discount code MAKEMERICH, and you'll get your first month for only $1.99. I hope to see you inside the Ultimate Wealth Circle.